Hey guys, what's up? It's Alex Brown back with another video to show you guys a new product that can help you shoot better quality video with your DJI Mavic Mini. Let's go. So I purchased a set of ND filters off of Amazon. I've been looking for a while just to figure out, what's actually a decent quality filter. I didn't really see too many descriptions or too many comments on any ND filters, so I thought, you know what, why not? Give it a try, make a video out of it, and see how it goes. And yeah, I was actually very, very surprised on the results. Check them out. Thank you guys very much for checking out the video. If you do have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And again, I have linked the ND filters, the actual ones I purchased, in the description below. So yeah, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and definitely check out that subscribe button. Have a good day, take it easy, peace out.